Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Create Wealth, where we talk about Forex trading. How can we trade Forex with the help of expert advisors and robots? This video is about an expert advisor, that is Don't Bother EA. And we have been trading with this expert advisor since last year. And we were trading with on higher risk earlier, and now we are trying it on lower risk as well as significant risk. Significant risk is also known as calculated risk. Uh, it, this expert advisor has a lot of features. So before going through this account history, let's discuss a couple of its features first. Okay. So first of all is a tailored risk setting. That means like you can customize your risk level based on your risk appetite, whether it is you can choose higher risk, medium risk, or either low risk, or either calculated risk or significant risk. So it's your trading and your rules depending on what kind of personality you have. Okay. Then dynamic lot options. If you would like to customize the setting, and if you would like to choose a fixed lot size or let your lot size adapt based on the capital, or simply just auto adjust according to the chosen risk level. The EA will auto adjust based on your chosen risk level. If you just choose a risk level, it will be auto adjusted. Then personalized deposit load. If you think like that a certain percentage of your equity should be used only while during the trading, then you can personalize your deposit load also. The lot control, like in case if you would like to customize the settings based on your own, then you can take the reins with the maximum lot size function, or you can just set it up like what is the maximum lot size that you would like to trade with. Drawdown management, there is an inbuilt drawdown control function, okay, for a better risk management and stability. And it has an integrated advanced news filter, okay, so you can stay ahead of market moving news. So you can choose like whether you like the martingale or the optional hedging feature. It depends on you. And it is a one chart installation, so you just install it on just one chart and it will be auto applied on 3 pairs. We just create 3 pairs with this, okay. And the minimum requirement to trade with this expert advisor is again 1000. And we require leverage over 100, okay. 500 and above would be definitely better, but yes, even 100 will do. But less than 100, probably you need to you start with a little higher risk, higher amount. Okay, so let's go with the performance or the account history. Okay, so it's been 3 months, right? On 13th of November, December, January, February, and now it's March. Like it's 4 months now. Okay, so today is 15th. Actually, today the market is not working, but still, I'm just creating the video on this. So we are completing 4 months now. Okay, so this expert advisor is basically for those who are more focused on the risk management. Okay, they are not concerned about not much of profitability or something, but they are more concerned about the risk management. So even in 4 months, if you see, we have not taken much of the trades, right? So there are not much of data because the expert advisor doesn't trade all the time, and it takes the trade only when there are a lot of parameters that meet. Then only it used to take the trades. Okay. So with a deposit of 1000 in 4 months, we made 129.84. Okay. And the running trades are these. These are currently stopped just because the market is not moving. Generally, I used to create the videos on Friday, but could not able to make it. So you can see that the market is not moving because it was the date of till yesterday, Friday. Okay. And I will also show you its my FX book statistics, but just go this particular EA or on this account is on lower risk. So we will go through the other account as well. So this is the another account, and we are trading this with significant risk, that is calculated risk. And we started it on the same day, 13th of November. And we are completing 4 months with this expert advisor on this account also. So almost same, like it is just the risk level that we choose here is a different. Okay. So result may vary or may vary a bit. Okay. As I said, like risk management is very prudent, and for some people it is very much important. Actually, it is important for all, right? But some people are very much concerned about the risk management, the lower risk or the medium risk, because in most of expert advisor, it doesn't let you to choose like what is medium risk, or like it is an AI created an expert advisor which automatically understand based on the risk level you understand, and it will take you like all the trades itself based on the risk appetite or the risk level that you have chosen. Okay. In this account also we made 129.84. I think in this one also we made the same 129.84, and on this one okay, so that is very surprising actually. Okay, 129.84 in this one, and no, this one is different. 129.84 and 129.84, almost same, right? Like it is very much amazing actually, right? You see here we were using low risk, okay, and on this one same, we are using significant risk. Okay, so we are using two different risk level, but to my surprise actually the results are almost same. Anyways, these are the trades going on right now, the similar kind of trades. And let's go to my FX book link. You can check the statistics over there as well. So here is the my FX book link page for the calculated or the significant risk. This is the growth graph. This is the balance graph. This is the profit graph, and this is the drawdown graph. These links are already mentioned in the video description, so you can just check it out. Okay, so far we made like monthly it's around 3.02, and the maximum drawdown that went is 2.94, and so daily it is about almost like 0.10. Okay, so and this week we made 0.60, this month we made just 1%, this year we made 6.63%, and based on month wise in 2023 we started. So let's go to 2023. Okay, 13th of November we started. So it was like 2.46 in November, 3.42 in December. In January, it's again 2.82, and in February we made 2.68, and March it's almost 1% so far. Okay, so let's go to the another one now. This is on the low risk one. Okay, the growth graph, the balance graph. This is the profit graph, and this is the drawdown graph. Results are almost same, like drawdown is 2.31%, and the monthly is around 3.03%, daily is around 0.10%. Okay, and this week we made 0.60, this month we made almost 1%, this year we made 6.76%. Okay. Similarly, in 2023 it's 2.33 and 3.42 in November and December. In 2024, it's 2.9% in January, 2.74% in February, and March, it's almost 1%. Guys, in case if you have any question about this expert advisor or any expert advisor videos that I have created in this channel, so you can feel free to contact me via email or Telegram. I have included all the MyFX book link in the video description, and also the contact details through which you can contact me also in the video description. Feel free to contact me if you have any query, and that's pretty much it for the day. Thanks for joining me, and please join my Telegram channel as well as the YouTube channel, and to get more updates on the expert advisors and other information. And stay tuned, and I will come up with more videos very soon. Thank you very much, and thanks for watching. Enjoy your weekend.